What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how you can get your Chevy Camaro started if your key fob dies. Whether that be a dead battery or some other issue with your key fob, I'm going to show you how you can still get your car started. So we're going to be doing it on a 2020 Camaro here, but it will be the same on several different years. I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, if I press the buttons on the remote, nothing's happening. If I try to start it as I normally would, I got nothing. Get a message here saying no remote detected. Saying no remote detected, place key in the transmitter pocket. So that's what we're gonna do. And the transmitter pocket is going to be the rear cup holder. Okay. So we'll put it in there just like that. And we'll come over here and just start it as we normally would. Press the brake. So that's it, pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.